Okay guys, so I'm out here and I was running back here because the geese were going crazy. I thought a fox was attacking them or something. They were yelling so loud. And do you see this in the background? The wild Canada geese, like we call them, are right there. And it's really weird. Usually they are all black on their necks. There's one there, you see. It seems to be the female that has a completely white head. And our geese are hanging out close by them on the pasture. And they were going crazy. They were fighting with the one. Look at now what's happening there. So beautiful, that wild goose there with the white head. Usually they're all black. So our geese are definitely the boss here. I think it's kind of beautiful though to see the nature interact with the farm animals, the wildlife. Look at that. Beautiful. Won't see more action now. Our geese are running away now. Hope you appreciated this little update. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.